A big public debut today. The insurance risk exchange company Accelerant beginning to trade. It's a platform where specialty insurance underwriters can sell insurance premiums to buyers like insurance or reinsurance companies, institutional investors even. You can kind of see the flow there. They also provide data to make underwriting for niche businesses more efficient. IPO was met with strong demand. The company priced above its $18 to $20 range at $21. Upsized the offering. Shares started trading at $28.50 last hour. And joining us for an on-set exclusive is Accelerant CEO Jeff Radke. Thanks for coming in. It's great to see you here.
Thanks for having me.
Is there a way to explain what you do in lay terms, or does it even matter? Is it just...
I think it matters. What we do is we connect independent expert underwriters with the risk capital that they need in order to issue insurance policies to hundreds of thousands of small businesses.
Because I read here that you have like 79 million rows of proprietary data. So what is your special sauce?
I think probably the data, the new currency, isn't it? So 79 million rows of data, which is valuable. What's really unique is the breadth of data, 21,000 unique risk attributes. And if you think about AI and machine learning, it's the breadth that those models really feed on to get really interesting outcomes.
Will this help us fix some of the problems in insurance?
I hope so.
There's a lot of, when you have home insurance costs that are higher than the mortgage,
it's really expensive.
That's a problem. But not everybody has the same risk profile.
That's right. And the question is, let's make it fair so that you pay for your risk profile. And the underlying requirement for that is great data so underwriters can understand your risk profile so you can be priced fairly. The other big challenge is how can you deliver this product as efficiently as possible? I don't think it's a big surprise that the industry spends an awful lot of money in the delivery of the product.
But I would like to go back to Brian's question. I mean, people are dealing with super high auto insurance costs, although we had our guest the other day say, check again, they might be coming down. Maybe the market's softening now. I mean, home insurance, and it's the cost, it's also the coverage. Like if you file a claim, you basically lose coverage. I know a lot of what you're talking about, too, is more on the commercial side and all the rest of it. But if anything you can tell us about how these market dynamics might be changing in the age and era of AI?
Well, first of all, you're right. We are 100% commercial insurance. But it seems short-sighted to dodge the question because the question applies on the commercial side as well. One of the things that won't get fixed is that your risk, you have to pay for your risk. And sometimes that's not popular.
It's not. Well, no.
Sometimes that's not popular, but it is fair.
And it went well, and it went for years. And as you know, I know some insurance executives pretty personally, and now they're in the industry, so I'll get it. The industry takes slumps. But what they'll say is risk wasn't priced properly for years or decades.
Yeah, or it was priced too high, and then it was priced too low, and then it was priced too high. Sound familiar? The human condition, right? The pendulum, where we can't ever seem to get it quite right. But if we have less emotion and less fear and more data, those oscillations should get smaller.
Are you surprised how that you were oversubscribed? I mean, again, it's not like this is a stable coin. It's not a widely recognized, but clearly investors acknowledge that you're doing something exciting here.
Our friends, the bankers, helpfully tallied up the fact that we did 174 investor meetings in the process. One of two things. Either we educated them slowly or they just gave up. And they said they're not going away unless we just buy the stock.
Buy some shares.
Right.
Jeff, thanks very much. Appreciate you coming in.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Big day for the company. Jeff Radke of Accelerant.
Thank you.